Another episode of Houck's Outdoors and Horror Channel. I'm out here today in Calvary, Kentucky. We're going to do a little fishing with crickets out here, just catching some small sunfish. Been a pretty good little time, but yeah, this is out here in Calvary, Kentucky, right next to Lebanon. Beautiful little place. I had a lot of fun out here this morning, catching a few fish and catching crickets. It's been a beautiful morning out here, nice and cool. The weather's starting to change a little bit out here in Kentucky, but hope everyone's having a nice, blessed, and wonderful week. Here's the fish. Well, I caught another cricket. That's all I've been doing. Found a spot up here. It's got a bunch of crickets under a big rock, and catching crickets. Which I think is one of the best baits on the planet for panfish. Damn it. And I lost my bait. Let's go back over here, see if we can find another one real quick. Get a good workout today, running up and down this hill anyways. Yeah. I seen one. Go under this little rock right here. Is he still? They're both there. Boom, gotcha. And I got him. And back down the river. Oh. Out there. There he is. And another little sunfish. They are pretty little fish. And he didn't take my cricket. Ah, damn, I bet he got it. I bet he got it. And he did. Oh, damn it, got off, son of a bitch. Still got the old bait there. I got him back up. I got him that time. And another very small sunfish. But hey, it's better than nothing. What little bitty piece of cricket right there, catch a fish. Let's find out. Damn it, I missed it. I say I lost my bait. Yep. Ah. Pretty little sunfish. A little bitty one though. Let's see. Hello, sunfish. There's a fish. A nice one there. A nice little sunfish.